In this video I will be installing an Amazon Echo in my car for remote use. Let's get started. With the new Echo Auto about to be released, that gave me the idea of putting an Echo Dot in my car for an upcoming road trip to the Hackaday SuperCon. I already have a Bluetooth stereo in my car, and my phone has a mobile hotspot capability, and so I thought this would work really well. To do the setup, I will need my phone and the Amazon Echo Dot, but to make things a little bit easier, I'm also bringing my iPad because for the initial setup, the Amazon Echo likes to act as an access point. First, I started by plugging in the Echo device, but during setup I realized this was a mistake to do first because it seemed like you only have about 5 minutes to go through setup before it exits setup mode. Next, I enabled the mobile hotspot on my phone. Then I powered on my stereo, although that is not necessary at this point. We can do that a little bit later. After that, on my tablet, I went ahead and I connected to the mobile hotspot. Now go ahead and open the Alexa app, log in if required, and start by adding a new Echo device. If you haven't done so already, now would be the time to plug the Echo device into a power source. Wait for the Echo device to start up.
Hello. Let's get started. Just install the Alexa app and follow the instructions.
It didn't find my Echo device, so I had to do a manual setup. I went ahead and connected to the Alexa access point when prompted, and then returned to the app. On the next screen, Alexa asked for my Wi-Fi password and I typed it in. I waited for the Echo device to connect to the mobile hotspot, and while waiting, my tablet automatically reconnected to the mobile hotspot too. When asked, I selected Bluetooth speakers for the audio device. Next, I entered Bluetooth setup in my stereo. If you are following along, you will need to follow the steps for your particular stereo. At first it appeared to fail and went to a setup video. However, after restarting the Alexa app, I noticed it had worked because it appeared as a device on the stereo. Okay, I am now on the road to the Hackaday SuperCon. Now that I've had a chance to road test it, so to speak, I have a few things I'd like to share with you. You need to make sure the mobile hotspot is enabled, and if you have more than one Bluetooth device, the Echo may not show up as the default device, so you may have to select it each time like I do. As such, it may only be practical to do this on longer road trips. Also, because the mobile hotspot consumes battery, make sure to plug your phone in. I actually did end up having to go through the steps multiple times in order to get it to work, so it may not work on your first try either. However, through the magic of video editing, I tried to make it as straightforward as possible for the sake of clarity. One of the things I realized after using this is that the Echo Dot does not have a GPS. I am hoping this is one area the Echo Auto will address when it comes out. However, until it does, this is one way to enjoy some of the nice features that the Amazon ecosystem has to offer. Thanks for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also be sure to share and subscribe so you'll never miss another video.